XP 4105 driver. Your type the driver download download. Okay, this is why I'm search the official website app sound. I am like the official website app sound and quick download driver and driver download not virus for official website. And this here the official website epson.com, and this here the official website epson. You click here and please wait website loading. Okay, this here the printer, and please wait detect the system operation. Okay, this here the type automatic for Windows 8 system operation. And you click here the this here the Windows 8, Windows 8, Windows 9, Windows 7, Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows First, Windows Server. This here the Windows 11 Epson driver, Windows 11 new Windows is here the Chrome OS. This here the Mac 12 and Mac 11. You scroll down. Uh, you select the system operation. I need click the Windows 11. Click the Windows 11. Click on go. Visualize the tag the Windows 11. This here the package recommendation for your driver. This here the driver and utilities combo package installation. Click here. This here the package download for the package driver printing, scanner driver, easy photo scan, and ready and Epson ready again. Epson scan UCR and Epson software update. If you need install driver only, click here. This here driver only, this driver print only, driver scan only, and this here driver remote for the wireless driver. And this here the utilities driver, and this here the firmware and mobile apps driver. This if you need install a driver for recommended package, uh, I am not install driver package for the complete driver. Click here and click button download. This here download driver. If you need install driver for the printer, you turn on the power printer. You put cable USB printer for the laptop or PC. Laptop or PC detect the USB printer and please wait finish the download driver, and you click run as a driver and run as and driver detect the USB printer and the install automatic. This information, if you need after install, you restart the laptop or PC and driver ready printing. If you need question, comment below, and if you need link download, comment below description. This here the link the driver for the Windows 11 and all the system operation. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe my video, share my video. Bye.